बोलो भक्त वत्सल भगवान की जय। बोलो कृष्ण कन्हैया लाल की जय। बोलो सच्चिदानंद भगवान की जय। जय श्री राम, जय श्री कृष्ण एवरीवन। Let us all clasp our hands and bow our heads. सभी लोग ध्यान लगा दीजिए as we offer Avahanam, opening prayers to Bhagavan Shri Krishna this morning. Hari Om. Dheyam sada परिभवग्नम भीष्टदोहम तीर्थास्पदम शिव विरंचनुतम शरण। भृत्यार्ति हम प्रणत पाल भवाब्धिपोतम वंदे महापुरुष ते त्यक्त्वा सुदुश्चजसुरे सितराजलक्ष्मी धर्मिष्ठ आयुर्वचसा यदगादरण्य मायामृगं दयितयेप्सितवनमदावत् वंदे महापुरुष ते चरणा। वंशी विभूषित करा नवनीरदाभ पीतांबरा दरुण बिंब फलदरुष्टा पूर्णेन्दु सुंदर मुखा दरविंद नेत्रा कृष्णात् परम किमपि तत्त्वमहं न जाने। सीतानाथ समारंभा श्रीरामानन्दार्य मध्यमा अस्मदाचार्य पर्यन्ता वंदे श्री गुरु परंपरा। वंदे श्री गुरु परंपरा। जय जय श्री राधा रमण जय जय नवल किशोर जय गोपीचन्द्र चोर प्रभु जय जय माधव चोर। बोल कृष्ण कन्हैया लाल की जय। मनवाणी को पावन करने के लिए let us all join in sing भगवान श्री कृष्ण भजन संकीर्तन। श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी हे नाथ नारायण। तुम अद्भुत हर बात तिहारे, गोकुल में चमके मथुरा के तारे, गोकुल में चमके मथुरा के तारे, नाथ नारायण श्री कृष्ण गोविंद हरे मुरारी, हे नाथ नारायण वासुदेव। ओ राधे कृष्ण राधे कृष्ण राधे राधे कृष्ण कृष्ण, राधे कृष्ण राधे कृष्ण राधे राधे कृष्ण कृष्ण, ओ राधे कृष्ण राधे कृष्ण राधे राधे कृष्ण, हरे कृष्ण राधे कृष्ण राधे राधे कृष्ण कृष्ण, ओ राधे कृष्ण राधे कृष्ण राधे राधे कृष्ण कृष्ण, राधे कृष्ण राधे कृष्ण राधे राधे कृष्ण कृष्ण, ओ राधे कृष्ण राधे कृष्ण राधे राधे कृष्ण, राधे कृष्ण राधे कृष्ण राधे राधे कृष्ण कृष्ण, कृष्ण बोल बाके बिहारी लाल की जय, बोल कृष्ण कन्हैया लाल की जय। एक बार प्रेम से बोलिए जय श्री कृष्ण, जय श्री कृष्ण। All devotees of Bhagavan Shri Krishna love to listen to Srimad Bhagavad Mahapuran. And every year in the month of Chaitra, for a few weeks on Sunday morning, we do not read Bhagavad because we have to read from Ramcharitmanas, and we read the birth of Bhagavan Shri Ram, the Leela of Bhagavan Shri Ram, and then we read to you the Katha of Hanumant Lalji. So for only three Sundays, you do not get to listen to Srimad Bhagavad Puran. Asli Bhagavan Krishna Bhagat wo hai. Even when listening to other Leelas, listening to the beautiful stories of Bhagavan Shri Ram, still in their heart, in their mind, they thirst for the Leela of Bhagavan Shri Krishna. The last time we read to you from Srimad Bhagavatam, Bhagavan Shri Vishnu had just appeared in front of Bhakta Dhruv. Kritanjalim Brahmamayen Kambuna Pasparsha Balam Kripaya Kapuri. ध्रुव के सामने नारायण खड़े हैं, भगवान श्री विष्णु sitting on Garurji. He is standing in front of Bhakta Dhruv, Chota sa Dhruv. Dhruv is only a little boy. As he sees the magnificent form of Bhagavan Shri Vishnu, he does not even have the words to address Bhagavan. Maun ho gaye. He does not say anything. So Bhagavan Shri Hari, he takes his shank. Bhagavan Vishnu Chaturbhuji hai, he has four hands, Shankha, Chakra, Gada, Padma. In one of his hands he has the shank. और ये शंख है वेद स्वरूप. This is the incarnation of Charu Ved. He takes this shank and he touches the throat of Dhruv. Pasparsha balam kripaya kapole. And as he touches the throat of Dhruv, Bandho, Chota sa balak, Chota sa Dhruv, this little boy, he was infused with all of the knowledge of Ved, Upanishad, all of our Dharma Shastra. This transfer occurred. Once, somebody prayed to Devendra, and he says, when Indra appeared in front of him, he says, Bhagavan, please bless me with knowledge. Indra ने कहा, मैं तुमको ऐश्वर्य दे सकता हूँ, सुख संपत्ति दे सकता हूँ, राज्य भी दे सकता हूँ, but I cannot give you knowledge. Still the person kept asking, oh, मुझे ज्ञान ही चाहिए, please. Devendra says, even if you pray to Mata Saraswati, she will bless you with the ability to learn, but she will not give you this knowledge like this. Lekin Bandhu, Bhagavan Shri Vishnu, Shriman Narayan, when he is happy with you, he transferred all of this knowledge, Veda Gyan, Dharma Shastra Gyan, to Dhruv in that one instant. Pasparsha balam kripaya kapole. As Dhruv is infused with this knowledge, tears come to his eyes as he recognizes the deenata Bhagavan Shri Vishnu, the compassion of Shri Hari. Can you imagine a little child standing in front of Bhagavan Shri Vishnu, who is sitting on Garudji, blazing like 1,000 suns? Dhruv, now that he has been given the knowledge, now he has the words to address Bhagavan Shri Vishnu. मैं एक नन्हा सा, मैं एक छोटा सा बच्चा हूँ, तुम हो बड़े भगवान, प्रभु जी मेरी लाज रखो।
मैं एक नन्हा सा, मैं एक छोटा सा बच्चा हूँ, तुम हो बड़े बलवान, प्रभु जी मेरी लाज रखो।
प्रभु जी मेरी लाज रखो, प्रभु जी मेरी लाज रखो, प्रभु जी मेरी लाज रखो, प्रभु जी मेरी लाज रखो। बंधुओं, हम सब ध्रुव के जैसे हैं। In front of Bhagavan, we are all little children. He is the father of the entire universe. Even in front of your own parents, doesn't matter if you are 50 years old, 60 years old, as long as your parents are alive, इनके सामने तो आप बच्चे हैं. You are just a little child in front of them. Imagine, पिता हमस्या जगतो माता दाता पितामह, the grandfather, the great grandfather of this entire universe, standing in front of you. मैंने सुना है तुमने यहाँ पे लाखों के दुख टाले, मेरा दुख भी टालो तो जान चक्र सुदर्शन वाले। मैं एक नन्हा सा, मैं एक छोटा सा बच्चा हूँ, मुझ पे धरो कुछ जा, प्रभु जी मेरी लाज रखो, प्रभु जी मेरी लाज रखो। Dhruv does not have the words to speak to Bhagavan Vishnu, but Bhagavan Vishnu gives him the words. When we do not have the knowledge, when we do not have the strength, when we do not have the resources to go to Bhagavan, bas ichha hona chahiye. In your heart, if only you have the desire, to Bhagavan vyavastha karenge aapke liye. He will arrange everything. He will give you the strength, He will give you the intelligence. If there is no one to teach you, to sankalp ke dwara, just like He gave this knowledge to Bhakta Dhruv, He can give you this knowledge as well. Shri Hari, as He has made Dhruv into a Parama Vidwan, now we have some expectation that Dhruv will offer incredible prayers to Bhagavan Vishnu. All of the Devatas, sab akash mein khade hain. All of the Devi Devatas standing in heaven, looking down. Bagal mein Guruji bhi khade hain. Narad Muni is also standing off to the side, very happy, tears in his eyes, as he waits for his great Shishya to address Bhagavan Shri Vishnu. Yonta pravishya mam vachamimam prasuptam. मम वाचमिमां प्रसूतां। संजीवयत्यखिल शक्तिधर स्वधाम्ना। अखिल शक्तिधर स्वधाम्ना। अन्याश्च हस्त चरण श्रवण त्वदीयम्। श्रवणत्वगादी प्राणानमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यं प्राणानमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यं योऽन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसूताम् योऽन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसूताम्। बंधुओं, in Srimad Bhagavad Mahapuran, there are a few great stutis, a few great prayers offered by the greatest devotees of Bhagavan Shri Vishnu. These prayers are known as Dhruva Stuti. There are many of them. I will bring to you a few of them this morning. सबसे पहले भक्त ध्रुव कहते भगवन योऽन्तः प्रविश्य मम वाचमिमां प्रसूताम्। योऽन्तः प्रविश्य भगवन मम वाचमिमां प्रसूताम्। With your blessings, by touching my throat with this shank, Bhagavan, pravishya, you have entered into my voice. Bhagavan, you have entered into my heart. आप तो हमारे हृदय में प्रवेश किए भगवान, आपने तो हमारे आत्मा में भी प्रवेश किए हैं। हे भगवान, संजीवयत्यखिल शक्तिधरा स्वधाम्ना। भगवान, my entire body has been awakened by your touch, Prabhu. All of my senses, everything has come under control. Prabhu, स्वधामना। एक संत बहुत बढ़िया अर्थ कहते हैं, धाम किसको कहते हैं? What do you call a dham? For those of you who've been to Bharat, when you go to Varanasi, you'll hear people say Kashi Dham. When you go to Vrindavan, Vrindavan Dham, Mathura Dham. So they always add this word dham after the name of the तीर्थ। धाम कैसे बन जाता है? भगवान, when he touches a place physically, automatically that place becomes a dham. Any location or any person that comes into contact with the divine, that place becomes the dham of Bhagavan Shiva, the dham of Bhagavan Vishnu. एक संत कहते हैं, अब भक्त ध्रुव भी श्री हरि के धाम बन गए। He has also become one of the many dham of Bhagavan Shri Vishnu. Anyanscha hasta charanat shravanattvagadi। Dhruva कहते भगवान, my hands, my feet, my ears, all of these senses, they are overwhelmed with your divine essence, Bhagavan. Prananamo भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यं। प्राणान नमो, हे भगवान, मैं आपको प्रणाम करता हूँ, भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम। हे भगवान, भगवान को भगवते कहते हैं चतुर्थी विभक्ति में। हे परम पुरुष, I bow to you, this most supreme personality in this world, भगवान। आदि पुरुष, परम पुरुष, परमात्मा, हे भगवान, प्रणाम नमो भगवते पुरुषाय तुभ्यम। ध्रुव, he bows to भगवान। ये उनका मंगलाचरण समझ लेना। This is the opening प्रार्थना of Bhakt Dhruv. As Bhagavan Vishnu smiles in front of him, he keeps offering incredible prayers. तस्यापवर्ग्य शरणं तव पादमूलम् विस्मर्यते कृतविदा कथमार्तबन्धो। ध्रुव कहते भगवन तव पाद मूलम. Millions of people thirst for many thousands of lifetimes to get to see these lotus feet, भगवान. बस एक बार आपका दर्शन हो और आज आप तो मेरे सामने खड़े हैं नाथ. You are standing in front of me. Hey भगवान, this knowledge you have given me, this darshan you have given me, you have freed me from the cycle of birth and death. Hey प्रभु, विस्मर्यते कृतविदा कथमार्थ बंधो. When you taste something very sweet, बच्चे जब पहली बार आइसक्रीम खाते हैं, when you eat ice cream for the first time, after eating ice cream, when you give them grapes and apples and mangoes, they don't want to see these things because ice cream is much more sweet. ध्रुव कहते भगवान आपकी रूप इतने सुंदर है नाथ. Your रूप, your form is so beautiful. Being close to you, I become so entranced by your beauty. Hey Satchidanand. Nothing else in this world is important. Nothing else in this world can compare to your beauty, to this vibration, to this atmosphere, to this energy. Hey Bhagavan, Vismaryate Kritavida Katamartha Bandhu. After taking your darshan, Bhagavan, never will I ever forget your form. Kabhi bhool nahi payenge, Bhagavan. Have you ever met anyone like that? Or went to any place like that, when you only go for a few days or a few hours even, एक बार दर्शन हो जाए सदा स्मरण रहता है. You remember for the rest of your life. भक्त ध्रुव अर्चन्ति कल्पतकरो कुपपोपभोग्यम् इच्छन्ति यस्य परशजम् निरये पिनृणा. ध्रुव कहते भगवान इस दुनिया में, पृथ्वी लोक में, ईटिंग, स्लीपिंग, एंजॉइंग दीज थिंग्स, ये तो नरक में भी मिलते हैं. None of this is important to me, भगवान. After seeing your beautiful form, I only thirst कि बार बार आपका दर्शन हो जाए भगवान. I only wish to have your darshan again and again and again. अर्चन्ति कल्पतकरू. हे भगवान, आप तो कल्प वृक्ष के समान. You are like the wish-giving tree. Anything that the devotee wishes for, they can achieve. Tena smarantya titaram प्रियमीश मर्त्यम. प्रभु हमको आप बहुत प्रिय है. You are very beloved to us. But today I am sure that by coming here in front of me, by giving me this darshan, Bhagavan, कि मैं भी आपको बहुत प्रिय है. I am also very dear to you. How do we make ourselves dear to Bhagavan? This is our mission in this world. Hey Bhagavan, as I see you standing in front of me, कमल पुष्प जैसे नयन है भगवान. आपकी रूप तो अद्भुत है. रूपम स्तविष्ट मजते महदाद्यनेकम. Hey Bhagavan, such is your incredible beauty. Devotees, we cannot even understand the beauty of Bhagavan Shri Vishnu. We cannot even understand the power that radiates from his body when he stands in front of us. ध्रुव कहते भगवान तद ब्रह्म विश्व भव में कमनत माध्यम. तद ब्रह्म, आप वही परम ब्रह्म है भगवान. विश्व भव में एक अनंतम, आप अनंत है प्रभु. You are without ending, you are without beginning. विश्व भव में एक अनंतम. You are the source of this universe. हे प्रभु, आनंद कंद आनंद मात्र मविकार महं प्रपत्ति. हे आनंद देने वाले, हे भगवान, the one who has the power to give anandam, to give true happiness. सत्याशिषो हि भगवान तव पाद पद्मम. सत स्वरूप भगवान, मैं आपके चरणार विंद को बारंबार प्रणाम करता हूँ. हे प्रभु, अप्येव मर्य भगवान परिपाति दीना. हे भगवान, The world calls you दीन बंधु, दीन बंधु, दीन वत्सल, भक्त वत्सल. प्रभु, आज मैं समझ गया. Today I understand why they have this beautiful name for you. वाश्रेव वत्सकमनुग्रह कातरोस्मान. हे प्रभु, आपने इस दीन पर कृपा करके प्रगट हुए भगवान. You have taken compassion over this poor devotee who is just a simple boy who has done a very simple tapasya to you, Bhagavan. Yet still you are so pleased with my tapasya, Bhagavan. बस मेरे ऊपर अनंत कृपा, अनंत आशीर्वाद बरसाते रहो. Just continue to bless me with your आशीर्वाद. Continue to bless me with your kripa, Bhagavan. Dhruv concludes his stuti here. Remember one thing, Dhruv ने भगवान से कुछ मांगा नहीं. He did not ask Bhagavan for anything. But Bhagavan Shri Vishnu standing in front of him, he says to Dhruv, बेटा मैं तुमको कुछ देना चाहता हूँ. Dhruv says, भगवान कुछ देने की आवश्यकता नहीं है. Shri Hari smiles and he says, Dhruv, वेदाहं ते व्यवसितं हृदि राजन्य बालक तत्यच्छामि भद्रं ते दुरापमपि सुव्रत दुरापमपि सुव्रत. भगवान श्री विष्णु says, ध्रुव, वेदाहं ते व्यवसितं हृदि राजन्य बालक. You do not ask for anything, लेकिन बालक तुम्हारे हृदय में देख सकता हूँ. I can see into your heart, and in your heart you have this desire for Rajya. You desire the kingdom of your father. You desire to become the Yuvraj. इसलिए ध्रुव, मैं तुमको वरदान देता हूँ. भद्रम ते दुरपमपि सुव्रता. चिंता मत करो. I promise you that नान्येरधिष्ठितं भद्र यद्भ्राजिष्णु ध्रुवक्षिति यत्र ग्रहक्षरताराणां ज्योतिषां चक्रमाहितं ज्योतिषां चक्रमाहितं. Bhagavan Vishnu says, when your father will leave the throne, you will become the king of Prithvilok, and you will rule this world for 36,000 years. Satyug ki baat hai. In Satyug, Ayu was very different from Kaliyug. People lived for different periods of time in Satyug. Dhruv, you will be the king for 36,000 years. After you leave Prithvilok, main tumko vardhan deta hu. You will leave this world and take your place in the stars. You will join me in my parshad. Yatra grahaksharatāranam jyotisham chakramahitam. And you will be the brightest star in the universe. And there you will stay amongst my devotees until the end of this kalpa. Bhagavan ne aise divya vardhan Dhruv ko de diye. Devotees, even if you do not ask Bhagavan for anything, all of us have some desire in our hearts. The Bhagavan Shri Vishnu, he knows what you wish for in your heart. Antaryami hai Bhagavan, Sarvagyata. There is nothing that he does not know. And when he is happy for you, तो आपको मांगने की आवश्यकता नहीं है. He gives you whatever you desire. ततो गन्तासि मत्स्थानं सर्वलोकं ममस्कृता. Bhagavan Vishnu कहते हैं, ध्रुव, when you will leave this world and go to my lok, ततो गन्तासि मत्स्थानं, जब मेरे स्थान में तुम आओगे, उपरिष्टादृशिभ्यस्त्वं यतो न वर्तते गतः यतो न वर्तते गतः. When you come to the dham of Shri Hari and you become one of my parshad, there is no return from that place. There is no need for you to come again into Prithvi Lok, baar baar janma lena, fir baar baar mrityu prapt. There is no need for you to come again and again into Prithvi Lok. Sada mere saath rahoge. You will always stay with me. This should be our param lakshya, devotees. This should be our focus in our lives. How do we become such great devotees of Bhagavan Vishnu, Bhagavan Shiv, so that one day when we leave this world, हम स्वर्ग नहीं जाएंगे, सीधे वैकुंठ धाम जाएंगे या कैलाश धाम जाएंगे और साकेत धाम और गोलोक अकॉर्डिंग टू योर इष्ट देव. लेकिन एक बार वहाँ गए, once you enter into those special dham, so there is no need for you to return to this Prithvi Lok. That position is reserved for very special devotees. आज भी भक्त ध्रुव along with many other great devotees, Bhakt Prahlad, वो सब भगवान के साथ है. All of them are with Bhagavan Shri Vishnu in Swadham, Vaikuntha Dham. और ध्रुव की स्वरूप, the North Star, that is the gift that Bhagavan Vishnu gave to him. This will be your swarup. Even today when you look into the sky, if you do not see any other stars, you will see the North Star. Know that that is the Paramapad, the blessing given to him by Bhagavan Shri Vishnu. Bola Satchidananda Bhagavan ki jai. Sudurlabam yat paramam padam. Maitreya Muni कहते हैं, विदुर जी कहते हैं, Sudurlabam yat paramam. That which is very difficult to obtain, that which is so difficult to obtain for the great saints and sages, Bhagavan Shri Vishnu has given to a little child. Understand the swabhav of Shri Hari. Deenata hai, Deen Bandhu, Deen Dayala, Bhakta Vatsal Bhagavan. He is very compassionate devotees. He accepts all of your prayers and he will reward you beyond your wildest imagination. बोल भक्त वत्सल भगवान की जय. समय भी पूरा हो गया. So let us sing one more bhajan to Bhagavan Vishnu as we conclude our katha this morning. O Hari नाम का प्याला प्याला, O Hari कृष्ण की हाला. हरि नाम का प्याला प्याला, हरि कृष्ण की हाला. ऐसी हाला पी पी करके चला चले मतवाला. हरि नाम का प्याला, हरि कृष्ण की माला. हरि नाम का प्याला प्याला, हरि कृष्ण की माला. ऐसी हाला पी पी करके चला चले मतवाला. जैसी बाला और वृंदावन का ग्वाला. राधा जैसी बाला और वृंदावन का ग्वाला. ओ राधा जैसी बाला और वृंदावन के ग्वाला. राधा जैसी बाला और वृंदावन के ग्वाला. ऐसे बाला मुरली मनोहर जपो कृष्ण की माला. ओ हरि नाम का प्याला प्याला, हरि कृष्ण की माला. ओ हरि नाम का प्याला प्याला, हरि कृष्ण की माला. ऐसी हाला पी पी करके चला चले मतवाला. कृष्ण का जप हो और हरे कृष्ण की माला. हरे कृष्ण का जप हो और हरे कृष्ण की माला. दिव्य ज्योत से हृदय शुद्ध हो, निकले मन की ज्वाला. दिव्य ज्योत से हृदय शुद्ध हो, निकले मन की ज्वाला. हरि नाम का प्यारा प्यारा, हरे कृष्ण की माला. हरि नाम का प्याला प्याला, हरे कृष्ण की माला. ऐसी हाला पी पी करके चला बोल कृष्ण कन्हैया लाल की
जय।
श्री गोवर्धन नाथ की
जय।
बोल बांके बिहारी लाल की जय।